we are looking at how to pronounce these two words in English that too many people get confused by or struggle to differentiate and pronounce differently. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in English as well. So stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So the top word is the number 1, 2, 3, 3. The bottom word is a plant, a tree. Okay, so how do you pronounce those? The top word is with a th sound, the th sound with your tongue between your teeth. So you want to start with your tongue between your teeth and then roll the R a little bit, like pronouncing an L. Your tongue has to go just behind your teeth on the top of your palate. So you start with your tongue between your teeth and you pronounce like an L after that. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the bottom word is just a standard T sound. Tree, tree. So you start straight with your tongue on your palate. A tree, the plant, a tree, a beautiful tree in the landscape versus the number 3. It's easy, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, it helps me a lot. And more videos for you here to learn more vocabulary and better English. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.